All right, so we are getting towards the end here. At this point, we have gone through all of the code.org units. We are about 3 weeks from your AP exam. So we are going to start doing some AP exam review. So this week, you are going to have, it looks like a lot. You have 7 assignments. It's really not that much. 5 of these 7 assignments are AP exam reviews. So some are 20 questions. I think one is 10 questions. You just need to go through these. These are old AP exam questions. So at this point, we've learned all of this. It's about reminding you kind of some of the stuff that you've learned and trying to get as many questions in front of you as we can so that you can see how they ask questions and you can hopefully get a good grade on this AP exam. So even if you are not taking the AP exam, just so you know, I've said this a few times, but just to remind you, your course final, which will be in 4 weeks, it's the week after the AP exam, you are basically going to take another AP exam. So everyone will do this. So you will have 70 multiple choice questions that you're going to answer, and then there's 4 FRQ questions that you have to answer based off your code. So this review, yes, it's called AP exam review. It's for the AP exam, but it's also for our course final. So you just need to get through these 5 question sets, and then you're going to do the FRQ prompts as well. So each one of these FRQ prompts has 4 questions. So when you click on the link, you will want to make a copy of this file for yourself. You are also going to want to open up your personal project reference sheet. That was the worksheet that you turned into me on Canvas for your course final. It had 4 prompts and you put 4 images inside. One was your procedure, one was where your procedure was called, one was your list, and one was where you were iterating over your list. So you're going to want to look at those 4 code segments that you took your pictures of and answer these questions. Don't forget, we are looking for college level answers on these. So you'll want to use Access or some sort of method that you've been taught where you are writing full and complete sentences and paragraphs. Because don't forget, for the FRQ questions, it's you either get the point or you don't. There's no in between. So these are all old questions that they've asked on prior AP exams, and they're pretty consistent with kind of what they ask and how they ask it. So again, we're just going to try to get as many FRQ questions in front of you as we can over the next 2.5 weeks so that you're ready for that AP exam. And that's pretty much it for this week. So again, you're just going to want to make sure that you get through the 5 MCQ practices. You're going to want to make sure that you do your 2 FRQ responses with the 8 questions total, and then make sure you come by for your weekly check-in. If you have any questions about anything, just come by, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be checking in with you during your weekly check-in.